What if I told you your body has a built-in recycling system called autophagy? This mechanism allows your cells to clean up waste, repair themselves, and ward off disease. One of the most effective ways to activate autophagy is through fasting. Fasting isn't about deprivation, it's about giving your body a break from constant digestion. Think of it as a system reset for your body, a chance to clear out the clutter and optimize its functions. Get ready to discover the transformative power of autophagy and unlock a healthier, more vibrant you. Imagine your cells as bustling cities, constantly producing energy and generating waste. Autophagy, derived from the Greek words for self, auto, and eating, phagi, is your body's natural recycling system. It's the process by which your cells identify old or damaged components, break them down, and recycle their building blocks. Think of autophagy as your body's cleanup crew, collecting trash and removing debris. This constant cleaning and renewal process is essential for maintaining cellular health and preventing the accumulation of toxic waste. Without efficient autophagy, our cells would become cluttered, leading to dysfunction and potentially disease. How do we activate this powerful cellular cleanup crew? We can significantly ramp up its activity through fasting. When we fast, we abstain from food, triggering physiological changes like a drop in insulin levels. Insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar, also acts as a growth signal. When insulin levels drop during a fast, it activates autophagy. Autophagy starts to increase significantly after about 12 to 16 hours of fasting and continues to rise for the next 24 to 48 hours. This doesn't mean you need to fast for days. Even shorter fasts can have a positive impact on autophagy. By incorporating regular fasting into our routine, we can boost autophagy, enhance cellular cleaning, and promote overall health. The benefits of boosting autophagy extend far beyond cleaning up cellular debris. This process plays a crucial role in numerous aspects of our health, from promoting longevity to enhancing brain function. Studies have shown that increased autophagy can extend lifespan in various organisms and may hold the key to slowing down the aging process. Autophagy also plays a vital role in cellular repair and regeneration, particularly for organs like the liver, muscles, and brain. Furthermore, autophagy has been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and neurodegenerative disorders. The benefits of autophagy extend to our mental health, improving cognitive function and protecting against diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Now that you understand the benefits of autophagy, you're probably wondering how to incorporate fasting into your life. There are various fasting methods to choose from, making it adaptable to different lifestyles. One popular method is intermittent fasting, which involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. Some common protocols include the 16-8 method, the 5-2 diet, and alternate day fasting. For beginners, start slowly and gradually increase your fasting duration. Listen to your body and stay hydrated. Avoid common mistakes like fasting for too long too soon or not breaking your fast properly. Consult with your doctor before starting any fasting regimen, especially if you have pre-existing health concerns. By following these tips and incorporating fasting gradually, you can unlock the benefits of autophagy and experience a healthier, more vibrant you.